Good evening, everyone. I don't want to be the one stopping you from getting into the party, so I'll make it quick. So I'm Shiva from Ozone. I'm here to bring in software delivery platform which addresses developer difficulties for Web3 platform. So getting on to what are development challenges a developer face for Web3 development, we see and what we understand as well, like how multi-cloud has become essential for the current world for compute. Similarly, multi-chain has become essential and critical for the Web3 world. And what we see challenges for the developers are going to be learning different smart contract languages for different platforms, different specialized skills for each of the platform. You need different deployment process for different platforms, and you have monitoring, notification, specialized infrastructure skills for different platforms. These are the problems which a developer might face and how we can solve the same. So what Ozone is able to bring in is a unified platform for all your Web3 endeavors. So you are able to develop, deploy, and monitor dApps in multi-chain using Ozone Platform. So from developing aspect, we have an integrated IDE, Web IDE, and you can also have a code-ready container directly from our UI. You also can sync up your GitLab, GitHub, Atlassian, all those Git repositories directly to your interface. And you can deploy it using any provider you like. You can like Infura, you want Alchemy, any of the providers, you can use them as a node provider, or you can build your own node. We interface with all the cloud providers. So if it is, say, Ethereum node you want to run on a Kubernetes cluster, we enable that same thing for you. So this comes part of our pre-integrated Kubernetes integration. So you can run your own node, or you can select any of the highly available nodes from the ecosystem provider for as running as a Ethereum gateway, plus also for other solutions. Going on to, we also provide like package templates coming from different protocols, like OpenZeppelin, many templates from other ecosystem solutions. You can take it from Ozone, which has default templates for similar action, which you can monitor. Getting on to workflows for all these platforms are also available within our solution. You can also monitor how your transactions are performing. Is there any transaction getting missed out? All of it comes from a single interface for you. So one of the key points, since we're built on Tendermint BFT, your dApps, if you build on our platform, is going to be by default interoperable across Cosmos ecosystem and any EVM ecosystem also. So some of the benefits which we talked about, standardized pipelines, templates, and this is from phase 1. In phase 2, we are actually getting on to decentralizing application across all your tiers. Basically decentralized storage, decentralized compute, and decentralized database. And decentralized name service, basically you interact with ENS, HNS, or unstoppable domain. So you can have your website or any application running on IPFS or Filecoin or we integrate with the decentralized storage providers. If you have your front end sitting there and your code could be behind the blockchain, we can interact and provide you a default interface. We also connect any containerized application can be deployed in a decentralized manner. It's not just smart contracts. If an application can be containerized with solutions coming from Cartesian, we see some over here, and many of the platforms are being EVM compatible. So we have a solution where we are able to run your containers in a decentralized manner across any Kubernetes cluster around the world. So we run it in a serverless module. So we are able to sufficiently decentralize your application across cloud or on-prem, or you can even let us control the infrastructure. It's sufficiently decentralized with algorithms where you can't track where your workload is. So this is different from decentralizing from the TAR concept. We allow your application to be actually decentralized across all the tiers, which includes compute, of course, storage, data center, databases, as well as from the name service. We can achieve that. We're currently in a beta stage for the decentralized scenario. And phase 1, like you can connect multi-chain deployment. Currently, it's already available from our side. What more? So we see the challenges what developers face in the traditional world is clearly applied across in the Web3 world as well. That's where we are able to provide a solution which is being able to be applied in the Web2 world currently as well. So some of our solutions are used by governments and banking institutions to provide a blockchain as a service in Middle East, as well as several banks use our solutions to provide their Kubernetes services currently live. Blockchain is something we have already established. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah.
Thank you very much.